Hi guys, how are you all doing? If today is your first time seeing this channel, this is Matilda cooking in Mati kitchen. Guys, today we are going to be making a chicken pepper soup, chicken and plantain pepper soup. So that's what we are going to be making today. This is my chicken. This chicken is a strong one. It's not polo, it's a strong chicken. It's cut, it's washed, and I have my ginger here. This ginger, I'm not going to be using everything. I'm going to take some out of it. I have my seasoning cube here, one seasoning cube, and salt to taste. This is my salt to taste. Pepper here, chili powder, and my spice, pepper soup spice. This is a crayfish, blended crayfish, and I have onions there. I have 3 green plantain there. So that is all I'm going to be needing. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put my chicken in the pot to cook it for 30 minutes because this chicken is really strong one. It's not the soft chicken, so I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. Yeah. I will start by adding my chicken. Now I'm going to add the seasoning cube. And some salt. And the onions. Like so. Now I'm going to add some ginger. Like so. And I'm going to add some water. Lid, we're going to cook it for half an hour for 30 minutes, guys. Yeah. This is how the chicken look right now. It's cooked. Oh my God, look at that. The water is almost dry. So I'm going to add some water. Yeah. I'm going to add my plantain. This is the plantain, guys. It's washed. It's cut here. Sorry guys, I didn't show you guys when I was cutting my plantain. I hope everybody know how to cut plantain. So guys, I'm going to add my crayfish right now. Like so. And I'm going to add my chili powder. This is the strong one, dry pepper. Like so. Then the yoga pata of them or the pepper soup spice. I don't want it to be too much. So I'm going to put the lid on it to cook it right now. I'm going to put the lid on it to cook it for like 10 minutes because the chicken is already cooked. So it's just the plantain and the spices to collaborate together, you know, to cook together. To just cook, yeah. You just cook it for like 10 minutes. Let's see how it's going to go. All right, guys. And guys, I forgot to tell you guys that I'm going to be putting a mint leaf. This is the mint leaf I'm going to be adding. So I'm just going to cut it. Yeah, mint leaf and mint leaf. English woman. So guys, we're just going to give it a stir to test it. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. This one a pepper soup. Oh. Give it a taste. I need more chili powder, salt, tiny salt, chili powder. Stir it. Yeah, I almost forgot. I'm going to put some aroma, like so. So we're just going to let it cook for a while, for some minutes, guys. This is it. What I'm going to do right now, I think the thickness is just okay. I don't want it to be more than this. I'm going to add my mint leaf, like so. This, you don't have to cook it long. You just have to make it like, you just huff it. When you huff it, it will be good. Yeah. This thing tastes really, really good. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When you are subscribing, remember to turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload the content, it will be notified. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you all. I really appreciate you all for being here. The new and the old subscriber, thank you all for coming. Bye for now. Hi there.